Our story began centuries ago in 1856 in an 8 square meter workshop in the Saraçhane Bazaar in the center of Kahramanmaraş. We are proud to present to you our experience, values, and love of art that sheds light on the future. Our company has manufactured all wood-related products from the date of foundation up to 1983. From 1983 to 2012, together with the developing construction sector, our company kept up with this development and started to operate in the modular furniture and door manufacturing sector with technological investments. As Hasesoğlu Wood Forest Products Industry Trade Joint Stock Company, we have been serving to all of Turkey, especially Kahramanmaraş, with the production of semi-finished products, lacquered doors, lacquered covers, PVC membrane covers, modular furniture, and wooden profiles since 2012. Our company has enlarged its product range in a closed area of 10,000 square meters by keeping the technological development in the foreground. It produces 36,000 lacquered doors, 220,000 square meters of lacquered covers, 250,000 square meters of PVC covers, 90,000 square meters of modular furniture, and 3,326,400 meters of profiles in its production line. Since the first day of our company was established, has adopted the principle of quality, social responsibility, respect for nature, and customer satisfaction. However, it has worked and will continue to work by keeping technological developments at the forefront and adhering to the principle of planned growth.
Hasesoğlu Ahşap Orman Ürünleri